A group of 6 Mesa County jurors gathered for day 4 of the trial against Dr. Paul B. Jones against the Emmons family. The Emmons family allege in a lawsuit filed in 2019 that Jones, a Grand Junction fertility doctor, used his own sperm instead of that of an anonymous donor to impregnate a woman without her consent. Witness testimonies wrapped up today. Closing arguments are scheduled for Monday, and then the decision is in the hands of the jury. KREX 5's Austin Sack has been following the case and joins us live in the studio with more details. Austin?
Rob, in court we've heard the heartbreaking testimonies from several families struggling to come to terms with something that is unimaginable. Today I talked to a state representative behind Colorado's first law offering support, but is it enough to put back the pieces of a broken family? I'll let you be the judge. It was at this clinic, Women's Health Care of Western Colorado, co-founded in the late 1970s by Grand Junction doctor Paul Brennan Jones, where he helped women with fertility issues, but now as many as 9 women are piecing together some shocking and unexpected family ties.
I don't know who I am. I don't know where I fit in the world anymore.
This Denver woman came forward in 2019 to tell her story anonymously. She learned through a commercial DNA database that her and several women are all related to each other as half-siblings.
The fact that all of these women went to go see this doctor for help getting pregnant, and we're all somehow related to each other, that to me is not a coincidence. There's something happening there.
And they suspect Jones secretly inseminated their mothers with his sperm without their consent or knowledge. Jones appears in court after surrendering his medical license to the state's medical board back on November 1st of 2019, just 1 month shy of the date the Emmons family filed its lawsuit in October. State representatives rallied behind these families to create Colorado's first reproductive material misuse law.
It establishes new civil and criminal penalties for outrageous and inappropriate behavior.
Representative Rich says it was no easy task.
And it was a very tearful experience, as I recall, in committee and even on the floor.
House Bill 1014 passed in 2020 with bipartisan support and is now law.
Conviction of an offense under this legislation is unprofessional conduct under the Licensing to Practice Medicine.
And with it are some hefty penalties
that could result in a Class 6 felony.
Currently, only 4 states specifically penalize physicians inseminating their own sperm into their patients.
Never before did we think something like this would happen.
Colorado, Indiana, Texas, and Florida all now have protection against this offense.
They can now receive compensatory damages up to $50,000 in any civil action.
Jones currently faces a civil lawsuit, but if found liable, he may be subject to a criminal case with the penalty of a Class 6 felony. While investigating, I also found a separate civil case filed against Jones slated for 2023. Meanwhile, those testifying in court against Jones say if he wants to prove his innocence, all he would have to do is take a DNA test. Reporting first on the Western Slope, I'm Austin Sack, KREX 5 News.